Hello and welcome. My name is Vukile. Today we're starting on a new series and it's grooves from Mozambique. Do a couple of grooves, maybe up to 10 grooves from Mozambique. Cover grooves, and then we may learn a lot from Mozambique. I'm gonna do a cover by Wizzy Masuke. She's a very great musician, and the song I'm gonna do is the bass for a song called Ahi Mahala. Ahi Mahala. Okay, so I've put my drum on 104. That's the tempo there, and I'm playing in the key of. So if you check it out, that's your D there. Okay, all right, your D there. So let's play this song and then we explain that. Okay, that's a very simple groove. It goes on throughout the song, and some other instruments come into. They do vary, of course. They play some variations, but this one doesn't play variations. So, like I said, if you come there, this is your G there, A, B, C, D. So you're on D here. Or the other way you can look at it is, like I did, I just took an octave back to there, and notice that this is how I tune my D, which is okay. So I'm in the key of D. So I am here on the first string, key of D, and what I do is I place my fingers like this. So from fret number, this is fret number 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's where I'm gonna play the first riff, and I go on the second string, fret number 9. So that's the second note, and the third note is on fret number 10, string number 3. So that's, if you look at that, that's actually a if you look at it in another way, it's it's a triad. Now the second one, you go. So on that fifth there, so you're actually striking on fret number 7, string number 2. Okay, so you know that from D you have an A up here. Okay, so now you reverse you just back up a little bit your fingers. That's the second line. So the second one, you're playing using the pinky on the 9th fret, string number 2. First string number 1, fret number 6. You start 1, 2. Some of them are ghost notes. You can hear those ghost notes that I'm playing on there because I'm lifting my finger and muting a little bit, and then I go to string fret number 9, string number 2, and string number 2, fret number 7. So far. And then from there you go to the octave of this, which is that. Okay, so pretty simple groove. So okay, so this is the groove. So what's simple about this groove? It's pretty simple and goes on throughout like that, and you're playing the notes. Okay, you're playing, and so okay. So just in simple, I'll just play the groove again with a drum. Okay, so it does well with a pick here, and I'm producing that effect, and so I want to thank you very much. And thanks Wizzy Masuke. That's a very good piece of music there, a very good groove there. I'll come in more with some more, 2 more grooves from Wizzy Masuke and others from Mozambique. We are doing grooves from Mozambique. This is African guitar. My name is Vukile. Thank you very much for watching this cover play. Cheers.